your choice. Two. Next, please. We have our puttu maker here. I have put it almost 1 hour in the freezer. I have put this thing. Now I am going to add 2 spoons of this. Now we are going to add the ice cream. After putting this, you have to level it with this pan. Now let's add the ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. Now I am going to again put 2 spoons of this mixture. Now I am going to level it. Now I am going to put the mixture. Service ice cream. Now I'm going to add it. I'm going to add the strawberry flavor. So friends, I have leveled the strawberry ice cream. Now I'm going to add this mixture on the top. Now keep it in the freezer for at least 3 hours. So now let's push out our puttu. See friends, it has come so beautiful. Now let's decorate it. I'm going to add a bit of cornflakes. I'm going to add some chocolate. Now I'm going to add a few raisins. Now I'm going to add some of our mixture. Now let's add our special ingredient, the ganache. now let's eat the ice cream Puttu. We have also our sister to eat. So friends, please try this recipe and enjoy your food. Please like and share this video.